In this video, I will show you how to install Upwork account and set up a profile in Upwork using your Android phone. Let me show you how. Open up your Google Play Store right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on search. Then go ahead and click on search app. Then type in Upwork. Then click on search. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on here. Then here we go. As at the time of making this video, 10 million plus are using this app for freelancing. You can slide this way and see the interface of the app right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on install. After a successful installation, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on open. So here you go. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on create an account or login. I'm a client, I'm a freelancer. So you have to make sure you choose the options that describe you much better right here. So in my own end, I'm a freelancer. I'm going to click on I'm a freelancer right here. Once you click on I'm a freelancer, you'll be asked to create an account. If you have an account before, simply click on login. But if you don't have an account, click on create an account. So I'm going to simply click on login right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your username right here. Have you entered your username? Click on continue. Then go ahead and enter your password. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on login. Please enter your security question. Go ahead and enter your security question right here. Click on continue. Then here you go. Privacy. Perform cookie, targeted cookie, turn it on and click on confirm my choice. Click on allow and you are done. Your account has been fully returned back right here and successfully set up. If you click on your profile icon right here, it takes you your profile detail right here. It's that simple. So this is how to install and set up your profile of Upwork account without any stress. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.